Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, web development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first right of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Okay, I will handle your complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, this complete assignments, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Okay, now I'm going to start my assignment to solve step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. First, we will click enable editing button. Okay, now focus on the title of assignment. Increase the font size and then I will highlight this. Okay. You can see this is the title of assignment Exp25 Excel chapter 7 ML2 employees mid-level 2. Project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on next and we will increase the font size of this complete instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay. Now moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 7 ML2 employees XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson ATLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson ATLab dashboard portal. Click on enable editing button. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 2. The question number 2 is that in the data worksheet, column D contains the city each employees work in. You want to display the state. Make sure the data worksheet is active in cell G7. Insert the switch function to evaluate the city stored in cell D7 in this sequence. Switch dash means for Iowa, ST power for Minnesota, and Milwaukee for Wisconsin. Use mixer references for the state names in the range A2 to A4. Copy the function from cell G7 to the range G8 to G31. Okay, first we in the data worksheet. Go to the data worksheet. And then the next is that column D contains the city each place. Now make sure the data worksheet is active in cell G7 and insert the switch function. Okay, we will insert the switch function in cell G7. Press is equal to in cell G7. We will insert switch function in cell G7. Insert switch function. Press is equal to enter switch function. Okay. Okay. D7 city for. Okay. Focus on my laptop screen. I am entering this complete statement which is given in the question. Dash means A2. Enter dollar sign using references. Cell references value. ST for Paul. A2 ST Paul. Okay, then A3 made midweek and A4. Okay, you can see I have click on cell G2, enter switch function and into the complete statement which is given in the question. D7 dash moines A2 st Paul A3 milkweed. Okay, then we will press enter, it will be show straight in cell G7. Okay, you can see this is good, this is correct value. Now the next point of this question is that copy the function from cell G7 to the range G8 to G31. Okay, copy the function from cell G7 to G8 to G31. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment. I have done this question. The next question is question number 3. It has 6 points. Question number 3 is that column C contain the actual hire date for the employees. You want to extract only the year in column S. In cell H7, insert the year function to extract the year from the hire date. In cell C7, copy the function from cell H7 to the range H8 to H31. Basically, in this question, we will go to Excel workbook, click on cell H7, then we will insert the year function to extract the year from the higher date in cell C7. Click on cell H7. We will go to our Excel workbook. Click on cell H7. Press is equal to in cell H7. Insert year function. One second. Insert year function into the C7 is hire date. Then we will press enter. It will be show year hired in cell H7. The next point of this question is that copy the function from cell H7 to the range H8 to H31. Copy the function from cell H7 to H8 to H30. One second. Copy down the formula through cell H8 to H31. Okay, this is good now. This value is so good. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 4. Question number 4 is that next you want to determine how many years each employee has worked for the company. What from the company? In cell I7. Okay, in cell I7 insert the year function to calculate the years between the first employee's hire date and the last days of year contained in cell C2. Use a mixed reference appropriately. Copy the function from cell I7 to the range I8 to I31. Basically, this question, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell I7, then we will insert the year rank function to calculate the years between the first employee's hire date and the last days of the year. Okay, we will go to cell C2. We will go to cell I7 in cell Excel workbook. I7 press is equal to enter year function. Year function and okay, enter year function and cell C7 is hire date and using and cell C2 last date of the year. Enter $sign, press shift and then click on 4 button. Okay, and then press enter. It will show years applied in cell I7. Now the next point of this question, use will handle to copy down the formula in the range I8 to I31. Use fill handle to copy down the formula I8 to I31. Okay. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is, I have done this question so well. Now we will moving on the next point. Is question number 5. Okay, the next question of this assignment is question number 5. Question number 5 is that you want to determine what day of the week each employee was hired. In cell J7, insert the weekday function to display the days of the week. For the assignment implies hire date, copy function from cell J7 to the range J8 to J31. Simply we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell J7, then we will insert the weekday function to display the day of the week for the first employee's hire date. Press is equal to, enter weekday function. Okay. Serial number returned. C7 is hire date. Okay. You can see I have done this question. Now copy the function from cell J7 to the range J8 to J31. First I have click on cell J7, press is equal to, enter weekday function into the hire date and then press enter. It will be show hire day, weekly, weekday. Now we will copy down the formula through cell J8 to J31. Question is completed now. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. The question number 6 is that the values returned in the range J7 to J31 are whole number. You want to display the result as the actual weekday names. Format the range J7 to J31 as a custom number format DDD. Simply we will select this range J7 to J31. We will select this range. Now we will go to the home tab in the number group. We will open number launcher box. We will go to the custom. We will go to the general. We will remove this general and then we will enter DDD form for this value range, and then we will click on OK button and it will be show weekday names, days name, sorry. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions so far. Question number 7 is that employees are scheduled for a 6-month review based on their hire month. In cell K7, insert the EDate function to identify the month that is 6 months from the first employee's hire date. Copy the function to the range K8 to K31. Basically in this question we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell K7, then we will insert the EDate function to identify the month that is 6 months from the first employee's hire date. We will go to our Excel workbook first, then we will click on cell K7, press is equal to. Now we will enter this function. The function, which function? EDate function, which is given in the question. EDate function for the first 6 months, hire date and 6, and then we will type 6. Now we will press enter, then it will be show 6-month review in cell K7. Okay, now I am reviewing this question again. Please focus on my laptop screen. Click on cell K7, press is equal to, enter EDate function into cell C7 hire date and then enter 6 and press enter. It will be show 6-month review in cell K7. Press enter and it will be show 6-month review in cell K7. Now copy the function to the range K8 to K31. Okay, copy the function to the range K8 to K31. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment. I have done this question so well. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Now moving on question number 8. The question number 8 is that your next task is to calculate the bonus for the first employees. If the employee's performance score is greater than or equal to 4.5, the bonus is $300. If the performance score is 4.0, to 4.9, the bonus is $2,000. If the performance score is 3.0, 3.9, the bonus is 1,000. No bonus is given if the performance score is below 3.0. In cell IL7, insert the if s function to enter the bonus based on the performance score for the first employee. Use the respective scores stored in cells E2, E3 and E4 for the individual logical tests. Use the respective bonuses cell F2, F3 and F4 to return the correct bonus. If none of the logical tests are true, the result should be 0. Use mixed cell reference appropriately. Copy the function to the range L8 to L31. Okay, basically in this question we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell L7, then we will insert if as function and then we'll enter this complete statement which is given in the question. Click on L7, press is equal to enter if as function. Okay, press is equal to enter if as function. Now we will F7 is performance score greater than is equal to greater than or is equal to E bonus greater than is equal to our bonus and then F2 and okay, I'm entering this complete statement in this formula. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your question by watching this video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not ever do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade. First I have entered if as function and I am entering this complete formula in cell L7. Okay, E2 and the next is F3 and F7 greater than is equal to E into dollar sign using appropriate references value into dollar sign. For dollar sign we will press shift and then click on 4 button. Okay, first I have entered if as function, then I have entered this complete formula, complete statement. F7 greater than is equal to E2 and F2 and into F7 greater than E3, F7 less than E2 into F3 and F7 greater than is equal to E4. Okay, score. If the performance score is greater than score, it return F7. If the performance score is less than E3, 4.0 to 4.9, and it return okay. You can see first I have click in cell L7, then I have enter if as function, then I have entered this complete statement. Okay, if performance score is greater than E2 score and F7 greater than performance score greater than is equal to score E3, and then I have entered this complete formula. Now the next is that F4 F7 less than E4. E4 is okay bonus and return 0. Okay, then we will press enter. It will be show bonus rate in cell bonus in cell L2 L7. The next point is that copy the function to the range L8 to L31. Copy the function to the range L8 to L31. The question is completed now. You can see on my PC screen I have done this question so well. The total question of this assignment is more than 20. Now I am going to do, I have just entered, sorry, total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 9 question in my video. It's mean I have done 50-60% assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and you can scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on Martilla Pearson, Engagement Type, MC Hill, Seminar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.